We're just waking up to this beautiful rainbow today. We're gonna head around the corner over to Pig Beach and visit the pigs, and then we're gonna sail up to Compass Key and go to the bubble bath, and then we'll go visit the nurse sharks this afternoon.
Look at him, he's just sleeping.
Lacey. How cute. How cute.
Hey.
How cute.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, look at the toes. Look at the toes. Here they are. Check your ears. Check your ears, too.
Oh my goodness, she's just cute.
Buddy, are you okay?
Probably sleeping up. Is he falling asleep too?
He wants pet. Aww.
You can swim it. You can live up to your
Oh my
knees.
goodness, how cute. How cute are you? How cute are you?
Look at how happy you are, buddy.
Snout on that thing. Oh, Lacey. Oh my goodness, listen to that. Stick it behind the ear right there.
Yeah.
Okay, my goodness.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, look at the tail.
The wet pig.
So we just anchored our boat out there at Compass Key. We're about to go check out Rachel's bubble bath. The wind's pretty strong today, so it should be a really bubbly time. Found some coral on the beach. But yeah, our boat's just anchored out right there. We're about to head into Rachel's bubble bath. Wait, is Compass a part of Land and Sea Park?
No, actually, Compass Key is outside of the Land and Sea Park. So in the Land and Sea Park, which is those red outline around on that map, that square box around those islands. So in those islands, you can't fish or you can't take shells or anything like that. They want to keep it really nice and the waters and reefs really clean and pretty. And so when you're outside of that, you're allowed to fish a little and you're allowed to take a few shells if you'd like to, but yeah, it is outside of the Land and Sea Park.
We're just walking across the little sandy watery areas. Going to the bubble bath. It looks pretty crazy from here already, so it should be really fun. Hopefully I get to see, ow, that, oh my god, the current, that sea urchin. That'd be really fun. I didn't bring a mask though. I was told, advised not to bring a mask because there's rocks you could run into because the current is so strong. So, didn't bring a mask, but there'll still be lots of fun. Just finished at Rachel's bubble bath. It was so cool. There was so many bubbles and all of the big waves we got through were really fun. 10 out of 10, definitely go there. Now we're just waiting for my dad. He's helping that guy who scraped his butt and his leg in the bubble bath find his sunglasses, but I don't think he's got any luck.
Now we're headed down to Campus Key Marina. We're gonna go visit the nurse sharks this afternoon/evening, and then we'll probably anchor outside of it, just past those 2 points on the map there.
We're here at Campus Key Marina, about to go swim with the nurse sharks. Got that code blue sign with the microplastic, that's really cool.
sharks?
They were really good.
The sharks were only really good.
No, they were really cool, really amazing. There you go.
What do we feed them?
Chicken
Rotisserie freaking chicken from the grocery store.
and nasty tuna. Hey, they didn't eat all of it. Most of the fish ate it.
2 seconds later.
Beautiful. Sounds good. How are the sharks?
Really good. Really, really amazing.
Did you pet them?
Again? Yes.
Is it like a petting zoo in there?
Pretty much.
What about
Compass. Key.
Compass what?
Compass key.
That's it?
What do you mean? That's it. We're at
Compass Key Marina in the
Oh, in the Exumas in the Bahamas.
Bahamas. Yep.
This water's hot.
The water hot? Why?
You
What's that
have
in your
the
What's that in your nose? Wait.
Nose ring?
Oh, it's a nose ring.
A nose ring. What else would it be?
All right.
A booger?
Ciao.
How many
We're
beers
gone.
you had?
How many what?
How many beers you
Like
had?
3.
That's what
That's
I
enough. Ciao. See ya.
Okay.
Next time on Melina's Travels, we'll be sailing up to Highborn Key and then over to Southwest Allen's Key.
Go on the left. Wait a minute. Abrupt turn back to the right. Hang on. I think we're getting closer. Oh, we're close.
Oh my God, there it
We're
is.
next. Oh my God, it's a...
Don't forget to subscribe, and you see that thumb down there? Go ahead and smash that button for me. It truly helps me out a lot. I appreciate it so much, and as always, thank you so much for traveling along with me, and I can't wait to see you out there.